Hi guys, today I'm unboxing and reviewing a banana and lettuce keeper that the company sent to me. These are really large storage for bananas, really any kind of fruit. You can see it's quite large. You know when you buy those big packs of bananas for such a good deal, but they turn brown and ripen before you get to eat them? This would work perfect for that because it's a huge, large container, has a drawstring on it. It's made of nylon, foil lined, easy to wash and clean. And this one is for lettuce. It's a good size. These actually measure approximately 11 by 14, and you'd be able to fit a decent sized head of lettuce in here and store that as well. And again, these aren't just for bananas or lettuce. You could store any kind of fruit in here that you don't want to ripen very quick. The company also says you can use it in the freezer, so if you find a need for that, it works in the freezer as well. These would be great too for traveling. If you go RVing, you could store your fruit in here and hang it. I know people like to buy ahead so they don't have to go shopping all the time. This would come in handy for that. Same thing with this. And again, they're really easy to clean. You can turn them inside out, wipe this, wash this down, and easy to clean. I'm not sure if it's dishwasher safe, but personally I would probably try it. It's kind of just a nylon material and a foil material inside, so I would guess that it would wash up fine in the dishwasher. It also says that it's quick dry, so that's handy. Anyway, just thought I'd give you a quick review of this product that the brand sent to me. Hope that helps answer your questions.